Elo muntos do nu kotoma pejo naka members lukai rabet koneko Uganda kotomo komiti lokai pamorane lude wapitos awanyunu keda konyekech araiteni ejasa polo kulo enyamete lemuda ekapunyuluka pugan yenunda tokiso kech amoteda iwaitiniche kanuka engarakina polo Joseph Ochom lode ra leja yafes loka kao tacha untebe Ekotikar luka Ipolok kinya kuna ekwap ikapnuda ude nyamete kesi ikeonai Itetenarai sipedor aijarna jokan kameja sa Ipolok
na sodit iwanyute be inyal na edata lo Ipolok akawlo na be ani Itetenarai district adumun sub counties no Itetenarai idumune be Ipolok ti record je Ipolok leje bukelia sub county idumune be tipara sidumakini record sike kocheka nedo ponote kona obukedia sub county so rangina ni ngostine Paul ni nakit I told to later no asom na program iwanyute dabo bobe isirgine lu ko paneta Ipolok lu kumina kesara nukan itebala ekede sara narai onikeri jenibe etelo iboro elo sikuju ikeonai ikapunulu letatina kino ni Ipolok lu nepeta arda bere giasi keskede lu kumina kaisauni ara kaisauna nukan ti pedo mot nepeta angara kini jawtelo Ipolok wa kuno district Etace kesa agiari karu akaisa kanyoni rai karulu kiara noi protocol ipo illuminati kapunro na tipetru anare cheparasha ilanye Ipolok so ilipiti committee inyakuni karu kwa promote arai karu akaisa kanyare agiari kara akaisa kanyare kuju tiogone Ipolok atachana ni kapunungo nukaseje.
We have the pilot districts, but we know that Kide came on later. Because for those districts who were in the pilot, they signed a memorandum that they will integrate SAID into their development programs. Yes, you talked about the age eligibility, and this very committee recommended to the Parliament about the reduction of the age eligibility from 80 to at least 75, given the very many factors that are pulling our budget, and at least raise the amount from 25,000 to 30,000, which the Parliament adopted, and it's on the answer, and we are waiting for Ministry of Finance to see whether they are able to implement to that effect.
Mairi amnune jangunda MP lo Budaka County Mboizi ata nesida bui torora Ipolok ora ichie luda kwana bala ibe lui boy ludi nyaketi karkwap ai toltoloda ai wadika eloka Ipolok kotoma napeta kanu.
He's in the 60s like me. When it goes for registration, he says, I'm 40. They were doing it. When you ask him, why do you want to be young? He said, they know I fear. What did you fear? No answer. So let's empower people to be confident of themselves. And this still goes back to local governments.
Kedia nesabudo ngesida kiri kapnulu anyo unokaru ilukumini yare akaisare ido nepetai Ipolok ilukumini yare akwatara kaisa kanyapa lukanyi kesido bere meda utu keda ikapun bedo lete nepetai ebilion te dope kedi miliona kaisona lu arebon konyede jangunda Ipolok lui pu keside roko irurumaete mamude dumuntosi kapnulu kotoma tokisonu kaewa dikao ailo chondo kini kiroria kedada parasha nukaurio David Wright Opus TV East Kobukedia District.